Hey guys, Jonathan Graham here again. Today I'm up in my cottage for the first time this year, and I'm going to be showing you how to fold this coffee table simple coffee table I designed. This is to continue with our series on origami furniture, so this is how to make it. We're going to take a square of paper. This is a 6-inch square. This one's a duo square. This is actually the lighter yellow, so it might look a bit more like it's like white on the camera, but that's kind of good. And you want to start with the white side up. In this case it's light yellow, because I want the darker yellow to be the color of the finished model. And we're going to fold this in half like this, but we're only going to pinch on the ends, just like that. And now we're going to divide this into thirds, and we're going to do my favorite way here, which is also the easiest one to do on camera, which is taking it like this. You've probably seen a lot of my videos a lot of my things involve dividing paper into thirds. And it's starting to rain, but I have a little roof here to keep the rain out. Fold it over, and then we fold the thirds. And it's starting to rain, but that's okay. Now we're going to fold it into thirds. Now we're going to take this edge and fold it to that pinch mark, basically folding this to the center. That is showing where the center is. Now we're going to unfold this. We're going to fold this edge to that edge there, just on the one layer, one flap, just like that. Basically one of our third parts that we folded over. And now we're going to take this here and fold it to the center. And you really need to crease just in this area, because this one I creased all the way through, and you will get a bit of a crease here. So you really just need to crease there, but actually it makes it easier if you do crease all the way through. So I'm just going to crease it all the way through. So those are folded to that center line. We're going to unfold both. Make sure you have this layer with it. Fold this in. Turn it over around and fold that in. Now we're going to take this. There's a crease there that we made, and just fold it on the existing crease. Same here. And now you have this little rectangle. And now you can see how we have flaps here. We're going to start with this side because this side's sort of special. You can see there's extra layers of paper. You're going to make sure you find the one where it's the same color, in this case the dark yellow. And you're going to open this up and squash fold this down. And you can see this little crease here, right there, lines up with this fold right here. So you should have a nice even line with this crease going down like this to this part. Same on this side. Make sure you have not this one here, but this one. And you're going to do the same thing. You're going to go inside, squash it down, lining up that crease to that fold, so you have a nice straight line going right to this corner. This side here is a bit easier. We don't have all those layers, so we just open it up and do the same thing. There is quite a few layers of paper here, so just make sure that you do this nicely. Again, see, it's a squash fold, and you can see how that crease, if it can focus, goes right on to here. And now we're going to take these edges here and fold them to here, to the middle, toward the center. So this edge here is going to go to the center. Actually, these are actually going to be the legs of our table. So we're going to fold this edge right to the leg there, which will be the leg of the table. You can see how this edge touches here. And this edge we're going to fold into this line right here where these folds are. And we should also make when I do that, it'll make a nice square corner. Same here, this edge to this edge here. Try to keep that in frame so you can see. It's a fairly simple model. And now we're going to fold this edge up to that edge. And we're almost done at this point. You can see if we turn this over, that'll be the top of our table. So here's our table. This is the top. Now all we have to do is fold the feet down. So you take the foot, and you can see right here, almost pretty much along this edge, or just as far down as you can as you fold it. Yeah, it's along the edge there. Fold your foot down. Crease it nice and sharp, because this is pretty thick here. So just take your time when you're doing this. And this one you're going to fold down too along the edge as far as it'll go. You can see it will not come straight down here. It'll be in a little bit, but that's completely intentional. And then your coffee table is all done, and that completes our model for this week. I hope you're able to do that. It was a pretty easy one. And again, it's Jonathan Graham. I'm Jonathan Graham, and I will see you next time.